Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics with G Bajaj. Today we will be doing exercise 3.2 chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables of grade 10. So first question, first part, from the pair of linear equations the following problems and find their solutions graphically. 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So basically there are two types of persons. One type is girls and another one is boys. So let's consider, let the number of girls be X and number of boys be Y. And total there are 10 students who took part in mathematics quiz. So total number of students, that means girls plus boys, are 10. So we got the first condition. Now the second condition is if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Number of girls, that is X, is 4 more than number of boys. So other condition becomes this: number of girls are 4 more than number of boys. So we got the second condition as well. So the first part is done, that we have represented the given conditions algebraically, and now we have to draw the graph of the same conditions. First question, first part, graphically. So one of the equation was x plus y is 10. So you can shift any of the variable over the other side, that is y is equals to 10 minus x. Now the value of y depends upon x, so we will be filling up the value of x and we will be getting the value of y. So let's put up the value for x. Put x to be, I am taking x to be 4. You can choose any of the value, but as I used to tell you that choose the nearest value. So 6 and 4, you can see these are the near values. Then put x to be, I am taking x to be 6 now. Y will be 10 minus x, that is 10 minus 6, and it will become 4. Now let's put x to be 5. Y becomes 10 minus 5, which is equals to 5. So here I got 3 solutions, and we have to find out at least 3 solutions, because third point judges whether your line is straight or not. So x is 4, y is 6, x is 6, y is 4, x is 5, y is 5. So we got the table. Now we are going to find out the next values for the next equation. So x is equal to y plus 4. Here we are going to put up the value for y, and we will be getting value for x. That means the value of x depends upon y. Y is the independent variable here. So let's put y to be, I am taking 0. X becomes 0 plus 4, that is 4. Let's put y to be 1. So x becomes 1 plus 4, that is x is equal to 5. Now put y to be 2. So x becomes y, that means 2 plus 4 is 6. So here is the another table. So as we got the tables, now we are going to plot these points and we are going to get the desired graphs. So let's plot the required point. First point is 4, 6. So 4 from x and 6 is from the y side. 4, 6, 4 from x side and 6 from y side. Then next point is 6, 4, 6 and then 4 in front of y. Next point is 5, 5. 5 from here and 5 from this side. So you can see I got the 3 points now. Let's join them. After joining, we got a straight line which shows that our graph is absolutely right because it's a straight line. Now let's plot the points of the next equation, x is equal to y plus 4, and the points are 4, 0. 4 and 0 in front, that means this is the point. Then is 5, 1. 5 is here and 1 is here. 5 from x side, 1 from y side. Then is 6, 6, 2. 6 from x side and 2 in front of y. So you got another 3 points. Let's join them. After joining the points, we got another straight line, and if we notice, the point of intersection of these two lines is 7 and 3. 7 and 3. That means this is the answer for x and y value. The number of girls are 7 and number of boy is 3, as we have considered x to be the number of girls. So number of girls is 7 and number of boys will 3.